Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger, and today we are going to visit Phantom Manor at Disneyland Paris. What I love about this haunted mansion the most is its Western theme. The story of Phantom Manor takes place in Thunder Mesa, a fictional town portrayed in Frontierland. Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. The owner of the manor, Henry Ravenswood, had a daughter, Melanie. It was known that Henry did everything in his power to stop his daughter from getting married. As fate would have it, 4 of her suitors died from bizarre accidents. The resident phantom now haunts the manor, the ghost of the owner, Henry Ravenswood. When hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls, that is a time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. Merci.
You're welcome.
When hinges creak in doorless chambers.
Lorsque d'étranges et d'inquiétants bruits se font entendre tout autour.
Where candlelights flicker though the air is deathly still.
C'est que le fantôme des lieux se manifeste.
Welcome, curious friends. It is so nice to have guests.
Nous sommes ravis de vous accueillir, humbles mortels, dans ce mystérieux manoir.
You may not believe it, but beauty once lived in this house.
Phantom Manor a connu des jours heureux, mais les temps ont changé.
And now, curious souls, come. I have more to show you.
Entrez, braves mortels, et visitons ensemble ce fameux manoir.
Our tour begins here, in this gallery, where you gaze upon the sweet innocence of youth. Kindly step all the way in and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Ici, vous pouvez admirer le portrait de la sublime maîtresse des lieux et de ses prétendants moins chanceux.
Perhaps you sense a disquieting metamorphosis.
Hélas, les choses ne sont pas toujours ce qu'elles paraissent. Tous les contes n'ont pas de fin heureuse.
It appears everyone is doomed at Phantom Manor.
Even you?
And notice this. This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
Par ailleurs, il n'y a ni porte, ni fenêtre. Par où sortir? Si vous ne trouvez pas le moyen de vous échapper, le fantôme des lieux se fera un plaisir de vous aider.
I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely.
Venez donc faire la connaissance de la future mariée.
Real beauty of this house awaits us farther on, and she's dying to meet you. But beware the phantom.
marié à tout touchant l'homme de sa vie. Des volontaires.
Veuillez faire attention à la marche en montant. Le barillet Veuillez faire attention à la marche en montant. Le barillet pourra commencer. Si vous restez plusieurs instants à la marche en montant. Le barillet va commencer. Si vous restez plusieurs instants. Très chance.
Bonsoir.
Allez-y, attention à la marche. Par ici.
Merci.
sur vos pierres destriers, escortez dans la nuit la belle fiancée. Warlocks and witches, answer this call. Your presence is wanted at this ghostly ball. Des 12 coups de minuit aux matines sonnantes, nous valserons ensemble, macabre débutante. Join
De facétieux revenants
I did it. I was the last person on Phantom Manor here at Disneyland Paris for a second night here at Disneyland. It was awesome. I had the whole ride to myself. Nobody else was around. Everyone else was watching the fireworks right now. And I had a great time. And remember, guys, always remember, don't forget to walk forward. They cut the howling out, right? Mid-howl.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.